Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I'm here in the table. I was working on the laptop while it's raining. Very nice outside. I hope you are all doing well. It's a rainy day today here in the Philippines, in Bohol, Philippines. Specifically in our place because I don't know if it's also raining in other places. So Arnel and I work on that area there this morning, and we need to keep the pots and other dirty thing there, but you know the rain excuse me, the rain started, so we are now hiding inside the house. It's such a beautiful rain. I'm sure the plants are very happy. The gomamela is giving flowers again after they rest for I think they rest for about a month, and now they are in flowers again. So my table here is very messy with a lot of things. I even have the screwdriver on the table because I use this screwdriver to fix some screws in the wall, and so I am always busy in front of my laptop because I'm trying to earn a little bit of money. It's very small amount, but still it's an amount. Rather than I do nothing except in the garden and some works around the farm. So yeah, I accept some accounting works and other academic subjects to assess the students through online. So it's another good hobby while earning a few amount of money. That is why I'm not on YouTube often, but I visit YouTube sometimes if I don't have any projects. It's really amazing. Thank you so much for the rain. But I think I need to go inside. I need to go back inside before maybe we will get some thunder and lightning. I'm scared. So Arnel is on the other side of the house in the kitchen. Yeah, you can see how happy the plants. Wanna say hi to my husband Christian, who is in France. I miss you so much, honey. I miss you so much here in the farm. He is doing well there. Thank you guys and have a nice day, everyone.